How to change keyboard layout to fix typing special characters in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to fix symbols and characters typing incorrectly. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Time and Language. From there, click on Language and Region. At this point, click on the three dots next to your currently installed language. In the next step, click on Language Options. Following this, scroll down to Keyboards, then click on Add a Keyboard. Once done, select the correct layout matching your physical keyboard, like US or UK, depending on where special characters are misplaced. From here, once added, click on the language icon in your taskbar to switch between installed keyboard layouts. At this stage, select the newly added layout to test if special characters now type correctly. Keep in mind, if the issue continues, you may have the wrong layout installed as default, so remove the incorrect one by clicking on it and selecting Remove. Finally, restart your computer once you've set the correct keyboard layout, then test typing special characters again to confirm the fix worked. And that's it! If this guide helped you fix typing special characters in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.